Nag-flower, nag-bloom na ang leaves. Ang ganda na, oh. Ayan. Ayan, yeah. Sometimes LBS is yung signal na wala-wala. Ayan. Thank you, Tusok. Good evening, Sisi Lovely Red. Uy, nag-premiere ka ba kagabi, Sisi? Parang mayroon kang bagong upload kagabi. Patulog na kasi ako, sis. Reply ko lang yun, Sisi. Mayroon kang bagong upload eh. Ayan, thank you guys. Salamat, Pia Melo team. Team Puyaters. Thank you guys. It's sometimes, ayan, word tours. Prusen Lake. Okay, guys, please watch the Prusen Lake new upload of word tours. Please watch the link that word tours dropping. LBS is hello. Hello everyone. Mega love shout out word tours. Welcome to my live stream. And did you thumbs up host? And it's amazing day. Thank you guys. Ayan. Ayan, thank you guys. Thank you. Ayan, please connect to Chris in UAC. Please thumbs up sa new upcoming live stream, or I think live stream upcoming for Chris in UAC, and Word Tours is dropping her link to new upload Prusen Lake. Please guys, connect each other, and thank you for joining my walk. I'm still have 30 minutes or 40 minutes walking. But I need to go faster because I have kids taking care. I just left them in the, they're big enough, but guys are like curious, do some stupid sometimes. Oh my God, look at this bird. I think Steeler. Oh, that's the bird. See the bird? He's just sitting there. Yeah, birds. It's so cute, right? And alright, and Ruby is here. He's not happy. She wants to cheese. Thank you. Oh, itamsak nga. Thank you sa itamsak. Pero isa lang kayo dyan. Woohoo! Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, guys. You guys are amazing. Thank you. Ayan. At 21. Thank you so much. Word tours, hello from LBSS. Thank you guys. Malamig. Malamig. Carry bells lang tayo. Ayan guys, oh. Carry bells. Woohoo. Come on, baby. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. Saan na yung iba? Isa na lang ang viewers. Ito talaga si Lolo. Dili ang mga samantalang 4 kayo dyan. Malu, Anggingfe, LBSS, World Tours, and LBSS, Malu, Anggingfe, Lovely Reds. So yeah. Yan, Word Tours, hello. Okay. Yan, the field. Look, ooh, another bird here. And the color is so cute. Oh, there's a bird's nest, guys. Oh my God, that's so cute, bird's nest. Look at, there's a bird's nest, guys. Ayan. So she visiting the bird's nest. Ayan.